Family concern, 19-year-old female missing for 3 months. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police and family members have stepped up their search for 19-year-old Larissa Whitfield of Portsmouth, Portmore, St. Catherine, who has been missing since Monday, January the 30th. She is of brown complexion, medium build, and about 157 centimeters or 5 feet 5 inches tall. Reports from the Portmore police are that at about 1 p.m., Whitfield was last seen at home wearing a white t-shirt and a black pants. She has not been seen or heard from since. Anyone knowing the whereabouts of Larissa Whitfield is being asked to contact the Portmore police at 876-989-8422, the police 119 emergency number, or the nearest police station. No photograph of Larissa Whitfield was made available at the time of the publication of this report. Links 007 TV News will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.